Eto yon guys, eto yung ating inihaw na pusit. I'm really proud dahil ako yung nagluto nito. Sahog, ang daming gulay. Ayan. Good enough. Lagyan natin siya dito. So later on, yan ang kakainin natin. Nababaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, another great finds para sa atin po na taga Pampanga, because I'm here sa Candaba, Pampanga. So 30 kilometers from San Fernando. It's an hour drive away from my place. So ang restaurant na to is actually a fish farm. Right now, medyo madilim lang kasi gabi na. Nasa floating kubo ako. It's a floating kubo kaya medyo gumagalaw-galaw yung image natin dyan. No? Sobrang excited ako at sobrang saya ko kasi different kind of experience. And at the same time, check out the food that they prepared for us. One of their specialties dito sa cafe is the tablea drink, which is this one. This is coming all the way from Bicol region. Another complimentary drink. So as soon as you enter as a guest, bibigyan ka nila nito. This is our table. Pansinin nyo, sobrang diverse. So meron tayong mga native, meron din tayong mga desserts like the donuts, meron din tayong nachos, have these potato wedges, and then meron tayo sa mga native is mga crispy shrimp. Meron din tayong tawilis, which is this, look at this. And then we also have itlog na maalat. Additionally guys, ito yung pinaka-highlight nila na pin-prepare para sa atin. Ito yung kanilang grill your own. If you notice dito sa platter natin, so meron tayong marinated pork, meron tayong barbecue, we also have marinated chicken, mga hipon or shrimp, meron tayong Betamax, inad pa niya ng pusit, which is this one. Actually, this is included dun sa parang mga seafood platter nila. Para matikman natin, yan, inad nila dito. Para sa akin guys, this is an alternative dun sa usual na samgipsal. So naisipin nila, why not Filipino grill naman, mga ihaw-ihaw, mas nagustuhan ng mga client or mga guest natin dito sa bee farm. Set up lang natin to guys. Turn on natin. Crispy shrimps. So I think our grill is ready. Isaw ng manok. So lagay natin din tong spoon marinated pork ribs coming in. Ayun. While our grill is still cooking, let me talk about the place. No, pagdating nyo dito guys, this is actually a 1 hectare property. 50 to 70% is palaisdaan. Boundary siya ng Pampanga at ng Bulacan. Different sections for dining. Meron tayong roof alfresco doon. And then meron tayong mga tents. Ang gaganda ng mga tents nila. You can actually do this one. Grill, romantic ng dating. And then meron din tayong mga closed kubo, which is doon naman usually nagstay yung mga family, dine in a little bit longer. Last is this one. This is the floating kubo. Depende kung saan nyo gustong kumain. Then let's try the soup. Sinigang na baka. Wow, ang hang. Which I like it. Wow, grabe. Sobrang lambot ng baka natin guys. Halos dumaan lang siya sa bibig ko guys sa sobrang lambot ng baka. Yun. So, actually gusto ko sa maisaw yung hindi masyadong tutong. Grabe, sobrang lambot ng barbecue. Yung marination niya is sobrang lasa. More of the barbecue. In all honesty guys, hindi talaga ako expert sa pagluluto ng mga pusit. Aayon lang tayo sa gut feel natin kung luto na siya o hindi. Right, so eto yon guys, eto yung ating inihaw na pusit. I'm really proud dahil ako yung nagluto nito. I'm proud of this. Hindi naman pahuhuli yung mga dessert natin. Actually, natutuwa ako dahil tawag nila dito dessert sushi or sushi dessert. Parang ganon. Pansinin nyo guys, meron tayo ditong parang rolled suman. We have two variants. The first one is actually a mango. And then the other one is leche flan na may ube. Whoa! Look at that. So, another dessert. Of course, obviously, this is halo-halo. Ito yung kanilang version ng halo-halo. More of their desserts, parang may mini donuts. Hindi ito yung mga ordinary donuts lang natin. Very comparable siya sa mga sikat na mga donut house na rin natin. So this is it. Oh wow. I think that was it. That was our experience dito po sa bee farm located dito sa Candaba, Pampanga. Sobrang nabusog ako. I think I like the concept. So meron tayong back to the nature, para siyang detach yung hustle and bustle ng the city life. Yung concept nila na parang nag-grill ka dun sa mga tent, I really like that one. Ang lakas makakilig factor. So there you have it guys. Grabe. Nabusog po ako. Sobrang dami ng sinerve nila. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, keep safe guys. Bye-bye.